Hi everybody, it's Tina, and I'm here with my prize from Sabrina_crafty_journey. She had a birthday giveaway, and I was one of her winners. And this is my third time attempting this video. I just spent the last probably 30 minutes trying to figure out what was going on with my camera. I was recording and shut off, so I think I finally figured it out. So this is all out of order. So please excuse me, and I apologize, Sabrina. First, I'm going to show you. Look at her doodle bird. Isn't he adorbs? When she showed me that, I'm like, oh my god, he is so awesome. So thank you for sharing it with me. Plus, then she made me this, and I'm going to frame both of these. This is Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Look at her doodling. And now that I see this firsthand, Sabrina, I understand what I'm doing wrong. Yep. So that is so cool how she did my name. So let's put these so I don't ruin them. Alright. So look at the Snoopy. Okay, we got Snoopy that says cool. And then we got Snoopy head. Another Snoopy head. Snoopy was smiling. Snoopy reading a book. Snoopy with suds. And Snoopy with the little bird. I can't ever remember the little bird's name. Yes, I decorate my Crocs. Matter of fact, I just mentioned Scott. I should get a new pair for summer. So I won some washi tape. They're fall tones. Look at them. Got the little squirrel on this one. See the little squirrel? It's so cute. And this looks like leaves, sunflowers, hello pumpkin season, autumn day, mushrooms and leaves. Some are so cool. I don't have them at a fall. Okay, also this is so nice. Zachary, thank you so much. There's a note in here. It says, Tina, Zach said I needed to get these for you. He didn't know if you could find these pens at your DT. Well, me and Sabrina talk a lot. We do a lot. We've been doodling a lot together. And I haven't shared a lot of mine because Sabrina does a better job than I do. She's awesome at it. I do enjoy it. So she was telling me about these gel pens the other night, and I'm like, I'll have to look for them. And I was just at my Dollar Tree, and I meant to look, and I forgot. So thank you. And we have an ink pad, and this is out of order because, like I said, I tried doing this video. It's an ink pad. It says watering can. I think it's like a gray, which is cool. And it says blendable. I have some of them somewhere. Alright, I'm just going to reach in the bag and see what I pull out. Oh, I pull the other one out. This is Fern Green. This is Good Inks by, I think, Wanda something. Alright. Got a cool pen that says, not my problem. And we also got these markers that they have different tips, so this is what they are. They do show what it is on the pen itself. I'm going to test them out. Okay. This was pretty cool. Sabrina said there's a young lady that's like 16, I guess, that did these little journals. Just supported her by picking them up, and she's right. This little gal did a damn good job on this. Very nice. Very, very nice. And also, got this stencil, and these two stencils, and these two stencils. And the Gucci bag. But I also want to share And I'll do that real quick. Sabrina goes to the bin store, and she found some Taylor Swift stickers, and Riley right now is Taylor Swift crazy. And I said to Sabrina, if you find other stickers, grab them for me. So she did. She found some more Taylor Swift stickers for Riley's goodie bags for her birthday. And then she told me she discovered these. And it's, I think it's like album or video clips, like Enchanted, Reputations, Folklore, you know, Big Machine, or Reputation. So, it's all different scenes, I guess, from her albums. Or, I don't know much about them. Or, I should say, Miss America, The Heartbreak Prince, 2019. I don't know a lot about Taylor, except that just Riley's just nuts over her, so. But I can't wait to show Riley these. And she got 2 packs. She said she came across 2 of them, so if Riley wanted to put a set, or put them up into little goodie packs, she could. So thank you so much for thinking of Riley for me. Really appreciate that. She also found her, I think it's like a poster, and it's little things of Taylor Swift. Whoops. And she wrapped it up for me to give to Riley for her birthday. Which I will today, because they'll be here. Because guess what? Happy Easter, everybody. And we have a little bag. We get, oh, got upside down, my bad. A ATC card from Sabrina. This is funny because I got 3 of these already from Sabrina. That's funny. It's cool. So I am in, and all these cool stickers. We have an addiction, Sabrina and I. We love stickers. Oh, these are cute little dinosaurs. Oh, little carousel. Cute. Oh, look at, I think it's a hamster as an astronaut. A butterfly, or a butterfly, a little light bulb, a little rainbow, a backpack, sunrise, a little big. I should give that to Diamond for her lab computer. Diamond's backside of her computer's got stickers on it. Smiley face. Ooh, pretty flowers. Ooh, leaves. That's cool. These are neat ones. Hello, you very much. Haha, that's cool. Oh, the cactus. Adventure pizza. These gamer ones, I guarantee I show my grandchildren these. They can name them for me. Ooh, look at that one. Love. Wow. She is clothed with strength and dignity. A little more diamond sword. And this one. Them are cute. Love stickers, love stickers. Me and Sabrina need to go to Stickers Anonymous. I told Sabrina if I lived where she lived and had that, I think I would be there too. Yeah. The deals she gets from those stores. That store. Alright, the good. Look at this. So let's start. So we have stickers. I believe I believe they're stickers, but look at these. They are so cool. They're so neat. They even feel like raised up a little bit. Oh, look at that one. Look at this one. Happy holidays. Merry and bright. Ooh. I don't know how you get them off, but I'm not going to worry about that till I go to use them next winter. Put them over here. And then we got the sticker book. 222 stickers. So we got llamas. And a llama piñata. And a guitar. And a cactus. Let's get fiesta. And then perfectly imperfect. Be magical. Sands. Girl power. Diamond, rainbows, And this side, it looks like kind of like do list, daily planner stuff. Stickers, them are always good. I do like decorating my planner. Paid, hello. Cool, that's a cool sticker book. And we got a stamp and dies. Deer head, a dream catcher, a feather. I believe she said this is a air freshener, but I'll open it later. But it says Merry Christmas on it. Ooh, look at this one. So we have the flower, and I want to say these are a build stamp and dies where you can build up the flower. You start with a base, and then you put the stamp on, and then the leaf, but you get the stamps. There's a butterfly up in that one, and then you get the dies, and then a stencil. That's cool. We got some iron-on transfers of butterflies. Those are iron-on? Huh. I thought they were stickers. That's pretty cool. But you know what? With iron-on, you can make them work for stickers as well. We got seashells. Them are cool. It's really dimensional. That's the word, dimensional. Today's word is dimensional. Here's another one. Dimensional. Those are cool. Pretty. Some music. Hey, my grandson's playing next year. Saxophone. But Diamond's like, oh my god. Because Diamond owned one and then she sold it. Camping. Cool. Around a campfire. S'mores. Roughing it. Hiking. Told her not to do that. Keep that instrument. Nope. She sold it. Then we got some iron transfers of like a fairy. And then a unicorn and a heart. Them are cool. And then you and me. Love us forever together. Now these, when she showed these, I was like, oh my god, Allie was going to want these. Oop. My granddaughter Allison loves. Her thing is dragons. And I don't know where Sabrina ever bought these, but these things are awesome. I'm trying to figure out how I can put them in like a frame. Look at the detail on that. And then they're all different. Very pretty. They're just little bags. Like a little... Okay. We've got another little bag here, which are little cards to go on the back of your ATCs and put all your information. We have fruit stickers, and then we have pink flamingos, and then another bird, a hummingbird in the middle. Them are cute, and they got a little diamond, and they look like they shimmer. I know they are shimmering because of plastic, but they also look like they shimmer. And then we have snow and cocoa tags and little ephemera pieces, so that's what's in there. And we have this one, snow and cocoa, 20 die cut pieces. This is 12 tags, and look at it. It's all those pretty snowflakes. And we got this stamp, unicorns and rainbows and magical. Pretty cool. And we have this one. Let's see if you can see it. Watering jug, the sunflower garden. Cool. And we have the coffee. There's always time for coffee. Coffee is always a good idea. And we have this one's cool. Got a guitar, a horse, and a cowboy, farm, tennis shoes. It looks like a house. better coloring. The Doodle coloring book. That's cool. Oh, look at it there. Sometimes you look at a coloring book and you get ideas for when you doodle yourself. Oh, look at that flower. That's cool. Alright, I'm making sure I didn't miss anything. Nope. So cool. I'm going to share with you real quick and show you what I was talking about. Let's see, right here. Okay. You see so how Sabrina's right here? Right there. Look how that looks. Okay? Much better than mine. And I can understand why now. Because I've been struggling with that. And she knows it because I was telling her and she tried to explain it to me. I thought I got it, but now that I look at hers, no, I didn't get it. So now I got it. But yeah, I've been kind of just doing this. Just have fun. I started one and haven't finished yet. But it's very relaxing. And when this week I didn't do much crafting, I had the kids a lot this past week, so I just would sit and doodle while they did everything else. So thank you, Sabrina. Thank you again, Zach, for the wonderful pens. The video lasted this time. Oh, plus look at this big. I had everything in it. So that's kind of cool. I'll shed all that in there. I'm saying looking double looking. I don't want to miss anything because I did have to redo this. I think I believe I got it all. Thank you so much, Sabrina. Awesome birthday giveaway. Hope you had a wonderful birthday. Guys, go check out Sabrina's channel. It's Sabrina_crafty_journey. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.